glaze it with the vegetables. So, onions in. A lot of onions. More. Chunk of butter. Huge chunk.
Wow.
So the thing is, people don't realize that you actually eat a lot of butter if you go to a restaurant.
Right.
It's like you eat almost
A
all
lot
the
of
butter.
butter in Western recipes.
Yes, a lot of butter. So if it gets too hot, you can always take it off from the stove. So all this color is from the
The beef.
browning of the beef. Salt. The water. Then secret ingredient.
Oh, clove.
Star anise.
Oh, star.
2. Helps to boost the meaty flavors of the meat. In the meantime, you can add some water. Set to an hour. Start.
So an hour of high pressure.
Of high pressure. Try to put as little water as possible so
Okay.
that you don't have to reduce the stock as much,
Okay.
and then it will not be less flavor loss.
How's it going, broski?
It's good.
You know, in China, when we are undergrads, there are a lot of people that cook on the streets at nighttime,
Exactly. Yeah.
and that's the scene.
Ah, the same thing.
Yeah, similar.
Similar. Yeah.
I mean, it's all Chinese dishes, but they all have this smoke
Right.
and
I see.
flavors and smell,
Right.
aroma. So you actually cook the onion for a long time.
Yes. Especially when there's so much onions, because you really want to get the browning on the onions, the caramelization. See, when it becomes like this, starting to get caramelized.
Ah.
Boost meaty flavors once more.
Yeah. Yeah, tomatoes goes very well with beef.
Yes. Clearly she knows her food. I realize you like cooking, Ginny.
Yeah, I do. Slowly developed that habit.
That's reduced.
Let me focus. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah. Sure. Alright, so we'll save half the onions for later,
For the pie?
for the pie. To put in a pie.
these go into the pot?
This goes into the, yes. Put the star away.
Mm-hmm.
Goes into here to cook with the beef.
Mm-hmm. I'll take a picture of everything in the pot once
Yeah.
all the things are in.
Okay.
Most of the onion actually goes into the pie.
The star anise are tossed away.
Hmm?
Throw the star anise away.
But most of the onions goes into the pie.
Yes.
Only a little part of it goes into the soup.
Yeah. No, the soup is going to be part of the pie too, but I might have to strain out the onions later. So we'll save some things. Now, we'll put some mushrooms.
Hello, Diane. I'm taking video of Anthony. Chef Anthony.
My
You
goodness.
have officially one fan now.
Mushroom powder.
So I think the chairs are coming.
Yeah, oh yeah, the chairs.
Are we gonna eat inside or outside?
Boost meaty flavors again with mushrooms. Some good color in the mushrooms. Everything needs to be colored for the salt.
Wow.
I should make a live stream.
Yeah, you should put it on Douyin or something. Hey, you should open
But
up
Douyin
your
is only
own.
15 seconds. That's too short.
Oh, you should open up your own cooking channel.
Yeah,
Me?
I did. Oh yeah, you should.
Oh, you did?
Yeah,
For
I
him?
For
For yourself.
everybody. He is a special session.
Wow. Wow.
Then when I become famous,
Why are you
you'll
so
have the only
special?
homemade video of me.
Yeah.
I didn't realize you were so special, Anthony.
Well, now you know. Do you
Wow.
feel the pressure to impress me now?
That's my computer.
Yeah, all of a sudden you become a lot more attractive from before.
Millionaire.
She's in love.
There goes here.
Oh. Catch that.
What are you making, by the way?
A soup in a pie.
Beef pie.
You are blocking the view, by the way.
Sweat the carrots a little.
Sweat the carrots.
Sweat it.
That's
Okay.
a vegetarian diet and it's gluten
Wine
free.
it.
Oh, wine. Red wine.
Deglaze.
Ooh. Why wine? Why wine the carrots?
Yeah, not the other stuff.
Oh, because this is the end of the cooking. So remove the sediment from the bottom. There's no reason why I wine the carrots.
Oh, just to
honestly.
clean up the.
Yeah, 洗锅.
Oh.
Remove all this. Take out all the brown goodness.
The brown
Using
carcinogen.
alcohol.
Using alcohol, exactly. The carcinogens, yes.
So much science goes into
You
this
know what?
cooking.
All wine goes in. More
Oh
wine.
wow, we're gonna all be drunk tonight.
Everything. Don't worry, we remove the alcohol. By removing the alcohol, we bring out the natural sweetness. No, that is very pretentious, but it's true. So, reduce this by half to a syrup. Okay? A few stalks of celery.
So this is steaming the soup.
We're skimming the soup, yes. Moving some of the impurities. And the oil that we said we were going to remove. So some of them over here.
Xiangye, right? Mm.
Xiangye. 4 bay leaves, maybe?
Cracking the pepper egg.
You do the final seasoning later. For now, it's just a little.
Oh, it's already starts to boil.
Yeah. So speeds up the process. You start boiling it first, and then you can lock it up later straight away. Skim a bit more. Constantly skimming.
I didn't know that we can keep the cap open while cooking it at high pressure. 'Cause there's no
Oh,
pressure.
no, there's no
going
pressure yet.
into- Yeah.
Yeah, but even it has to boil before the pressure can kick in. So might as well start the boiling first. Yeah.
This carrot has been reduced to half almost.
Yeah. So try to reduce it a bit more to a very thick consistency. Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. Okay.
What do you expect? That's what I thought.
Okay. This goes in.
Yeah.
Push everything down. Let's go to the soup.
It's almost to the maximum volume.
Yeah. Very close. Everything goes down.
Nice calculation to begin with. It already smells very good.
One last skim. And then we'll lock up the pot.
And then cook for how many?
Cook for an hour.
Okay.
Let it cool for half. Put it into the
Wow.
pie. Bake it.
Oh, put it into the pie and bake it.
Yes.
Wow.
This was supposed to be done at 2 today, but
Uh-oh.
really not.
Yeah, badminton is more important than cooking.
Exactly. Alright. Now we go. An hour.
Yep.
Start. Lock it up. Alright. Heat. Now.